All right, this is the Ayurveda tongue scraper right here, copper tongue scraper. I'm going to show you how much comes off of the tongue on a typical morning. Right here, just a typical copper Ayurveda scraper. I'm going to scrape my tongue, and then I'm going to show you the gunk that comes off the tongue. And this is just on a daily basis, all right, in the morning. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and scrape my tongue. Give me one moment. Stay patient. Let's go. Mm-hmm. All right, you see this? That's plaque right there, bacteria and plaque. I'm gonna show you in the sink. That's what it looks like right here. Gonna, no, it's a little bit gross, but like, look at that. That comes all off of your tongue right there. Pretty nasty. Let me know if you have any questions.